Alright then guys, so this is the end result of the motor. I finished putting together everything. So the car runs fine, everything runs well. However, I have encountered a bit of a problem, not related to the work that I did here. I think it might be because the car has been standing for a while, or standing too long. So whenever I do swing the car to start it up, I do have a leak somewhere around here, and my guess is that it is the freeze plug. I don't know if you guys can see that there. So that is the freeze plug, and I have one on the right side as well. So whenever I do swing up the motor, the car does spit or spray out water from there. I've removed the battery holder as well, and other than that, everything runs well. And this is just an update for all the work I've done. It is a bit rainy, so I don't want to be out here too long. It's super cold as well. But yeah guys, so everything here runs well. No misfires, no oil leaks, no lag in idle, nothing like that. So the only problem that I have encountered now is just the freeze plug that is there. That I don't know if you guys can see that plug right there. So whenever I do start up the motor, the car does spit out water from that location. So for now I'll have to think of an alternative to close the hole up, because I'm not going to remove the whole motor. So just a temporary fix for now should be okay until I have enough time to remove the motor itself. But other than that, everything's running well. No misfires, no lags in idle. And then I have posted the torque settings for everything I did on the head, from the sprocket to the rocker arms itself. So everything is on the channel. You guys can check that out if you are putting together your own head as well. And for now guys, peace out, see you on the next one. Let me know if you have any questions about the motor or any questions on your own vehicle. And then I have seen another video of something that happened here where the water was boiling, but I'll make another video on that. For now guys, peace out, see you on the next one, and I hope you enjoyed the process of putting together the motor. Peace.